Yo, what's happening? Back, man, back up in here with another one of them things, dog. Nah, I was saying, y'all, you can't even notice, but I cleaned out the man cave a little bit. Getting ready to start the demo, man, but it ain't ready at all. Yeah. But today, man, we finna get out here, man, and install this Christmas gift, man. Get out here and install the double den in the Camry, man. Now, I was really debating, man, if I wanted to even, record this, man, because, you know, man, this how most folks, man, get they stuff broke in and all that right there, but we ain't gonna worry about it. We ain't gonna worry about it because I got this one for a reason, man. It was fairly inexpensive. So if somebody was to want to be petty, man, and break in here and get this junk out of here, you really ain't getting nothing, because, you know what I'm saying? You know. So and how it's gonna look in here, man, it's gonna really look like it's factory and it's supposed to be in here, so that might deter people, hopefully. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and install the double den. The kit came in today, man, so I'm gonna show you how the kit, and y'all gonna be along with me on this install. I've never ever installed anything like this on a Toyota. What if I installed on? Oh, I installed an auxiliary port on here. That was pretty much it. Like, I ain't never did nothing on the inside of a Toyota like that, so I don't think. So yeah, what I'm about to do, we're about to, man, go and get it started, see what all tools I need, and yeah, I'm finna put this thing in here, man, and get us set up to how she need to be. Let me go ahead and well, I'm gonna show y'all the kit and then we'll move forward. Alright, y'all, so here is the kit right here. Bam. As you can see, it's pretty much the same, you know what I'm saying, as the kit as the bracket is already in here. So it's taking away all the knobs and stuff. So, you know what I'm saying, you got your vents up here. You're gonna have your radio sitting there like that, and then you got all your other stuff down there. Plus you got a little pocket down here, you know what I'm saying, that you can, it's like a little storage pocket or whatever that goes at the bottom of it, which I don't know where this gonna go, because this gonna still be there. So I don't know, maybe you need this, maybe you don't, I ain't sure, but we gonna figure it out though. There ain't no problem. They come with the instructions, so yeah, it come with the instructions. So I don't know, maybe it goes on the bottom of here or something. Being that it's so big, like this bigger than a double den. Oh, I'm sorry. It maybe go on the bottom here because it's so big. It's bigger than a double den, so it won't. I don't know. But we finna figure it out though. Yeah. So give you some instructions. You got your put this down here. You got your harnesses, the antenna. Hopefully this battery don't die before I get done, which it probably is. But yeah, you got your harness there. You got your antenna. I wish I had a I wish I already had an amp kit so that I wouldn't have to use these wires. I could just use the RCAs, but we'll get to that later if she decides to put anything in here to do that. So anyway, let me go ahead and get started, And yeah, see we got everything. And I need me taking the double. I'll take the double end out in a minute when I get ready to put it in there, and then y'all can see all that. But cause that's gonna probably go in first. So let me go ahead and take all this apart and get right back to y'all. Alright, y'all. So what we're doing, or what we've done is we pulled the vents out. You know what I'm saying? Use a little pry tool. The pry tool y'all got. If you got a metal one, cool. But I use the plastic one because this plastic, I don't know how brittle the plastics is. And also we pulled this out too because it connects to the top of this, and we gotta take this panel off. Also, I think these come off real easy. Like, yeah, just pull them off with your hand. Pull them off. You got your screws. You got a screw here. You got your Phillips head here, which I don't even think you got to mess with these, to be honest. I don't think you got to mess with these. It's going to be this up here. So you get 10 millimeter right there, a 10 millimeter back there, two 10 millimeters right here. And I think it'll come out. I think. So let me mess with it a little more, and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. So what we had to do was we had to make the factory stuff off of the old bracket work on this one, because this bracket came with nothing but just this. Like, it didn't come with none of the hardware or anything like that. So I had to look up a guy because I got stuck with that. But now, man, we're wiring up everything, and yeah, going back up with it. I don't have the rear camera yet, so it's gonna have to come back out to do the rear camera. And it also has front camera capability, so I might try to put a front camera on, but probably not. I don't know, but I don't see a point of putting a front camera on her. But yeah, it's in there. We got, you know what I'm saying, this down here, and we do got sound. I'm about to see what's up with this antenna, but I think it's cool though. I'm gonna see. Once I hook everything up, I'm gonna see, you know what I'm saying, what's up with that static or whatever. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. So let me go ahead, man, put everything back together. And yeah, go ahead and conclude this. Conclude this installation, man, because it was a breeze. It wasn't, you know what I'm saying, it wasn't nothing crazy. This Boss, it is the slim type radio, man, so it's gonna fit in there perfect. So yeah, I'm thinking about getting one for the Firebird now. But yeah, like I said, just inexpensive, you know what I'm saying, something inexpensive, so that, you know, she can have her Apple Play and stuff like that, man. And you know, have her stuff so when she ain't gotta be worrying about the cord not working and this and that, and her she can't even listen to the music that she really want to listen to. So yeah, we are in there like what? Y'all know what's going on. But anyway, let me go ahead and do that. Hit y'all right back. Yes, sir, man. We back. Got everything in here. Everything working. You know what I'm saying? Everything working, man. We got that Bluetooth hooked up to it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So now we gotta do stuff like set the levels, stuff like that, EQ and all that. I'm gonna set that for. So yeah, she like to have a little, I don't know why, but she like to have a little thump out of her. Daylight savings time right now. Wait, it is daylight saving time though, right? Yeah. So date and time. go backwards. What's the day? Today is the 31st. Oh, I'm tripping. Man, hey, I'm tripping. I can't see because this thing up here, y'all. Hey, man, don't charge that. Woo, man. Boy, that was slow there. Yeah, but I couldn't see them up there because of the letters and everything. So, but, woo. Yeah, y'all about got me with that one. That's cold, what else? English. I'm pretty sure system tone. Pretty sure she know. Hear that all the time. Power off display. Wait a minute. Oh, factory reset. I don't know what. Oh shit! See, I can't do nothing, man, because I can't see what's going on. But you got your cameras. You got your rear camera power, front camera view, park assist guide. You got all that stuff right there, man. So I gotta go and get her a rear camera, man, so we can bust this jump back down, put that rear camera on there, and do it again. Do all this again. Let me see. General. Okay. Bluetooth. Auto answer no. Auto connect connection. Yeah, clear records. Okay. Let me see. General audio. Subwoofer level. We ain't got no subwoofer. Loudness on. Ooh, that wasn't on? Jesus Christ. This junk loud too. Subwoofer. Turn that off. Turn the amp default volume. Source level. Okay, yeah, we'll work with that. This junk was loud though. But anyway, yeah, man, everything installed. The factory radio back there, now that right there, everything installed, man. So, hey, overall, the key. Oh, that's the microphone too. I gotta figure out how that worked, cause she couldn't hear me when I was trying to talk to her. So maybe it was too far away or something. I don't know. But yeah, we gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, man. That thing installed, man, and hopefully she, you know what I'm saying, enjoyed and everything like that. And yeah, you got the SD, AVN. I ain't got no SD card in there, but the SD card go here, little mini card. Put some download music on the card and do a thing and do that out. You know what I'm saying? It got some nice little functions to it. Android, Apple Play, but that's only when it's plugged in. You got your tuner, you know what I'm saying, your radio stations, all that good stuff. It didn't have no remote to it though. I thought it did, but it didn't. Yeah, it didn't. So, yeah. That being said, man, it's your dog, Big Beelo, man. Mr. Animan himself. I heard, man, playing audio tech, and yeah, got everything together, man. So I catch y'all in the next one, man.